Hey guys, I'm Nicholas here with two professional traders, and we got a very unique correlation between the Bitcoin trend that most altcoins have been following right now, which we want to bring to your attention. What exactly are we looking at, David?
Thanks, Nicholas. What we want to do is a little different from our normal videos, and we want to take a step back and look at things a little bit more big picture. Because a lot of times people, everybody trades Bitcoin, and then, a lot of times people will trade another, one or two or three coins, and so they may not have a good view of what the entire market is doing. So what I want to do here is just quickly scroll through the top 20 coins versus Bitcoin and see how they've been doing since roughly the beginning of the year or so. So we're going to start with just the Bitcoin to dollar trade chart. And you can see here it's still fighting this overall downtrend, and we have the reverse head and shoulders here that we've been trying to trade. But as we scroll through to the other ones, you're going to start to see a common pattern here that either starts in right around the beginning of the year in January, or right around the beginning of February, and that's that all of these names have been selling off. Sorry, I went the wrong way there. So this is Ethereum. Now we're going to go to Ripple, and we're going to just scroll through the top 20 coins, and you're going to see they're all trending much lower. There's probably 2 out of the 20, and this being one of them, Litecoin, that is not. These are the kind of things you should take notice of. NEO was pretty stable. It started to come off a little bit. ADA. XLM. Here's the other one, and it's obvious why we're in Monero, okay? Because this is literally the one out of the top 20 that is actually broken out to the upside. EOS, IOTA, all of these things are looking very similar and not very bullish, except for they're all starting to approach some levels that might allow us some safe entry points. So as we scroll through these, VE Chain actually is another one that has been fairly stable. But we want to just get a general look at what these coins look like versus Bitcoin. So I'm going to send it back to John right now, and this as we return back to Dash, this is a Dash versus the dollar, and show how we might have a decent setup for a good safe entry trade here.
Thanks, David. Hey, we're going to have the perfect timing if we can get this trade posted quickly, because we just finished the Bitcoin trade to show you all the details of what's going on with that, and it is getting very close to that key 9,500 level again. One of the key indicators we've shared with subs that we watch, our people who are special premium subscribers, is Dash. Dash has been an amazing indicator of the altcoin market. It tends to go first. If you see a move in Dash, the market tends to follow it. Going back to when Dash was $2 and went to $19. I was sitting there watching it that very day. So what we've got going on with Dash right now is very similar with all the other altcoins and similar to Bitcoin. When that all happens, it's called being in sync, and that's worth watching closely. Something big is going to happen. We hope it's going up. It doesn't mean it is. That's why you have to stay safe. We've got our support line drawn right under the current low, and it's basically tested this low multiple times. It was a couple of weeks ago, and now again yesterday. Today it went a little lower and then reversed, and now it's going lower again. So if Dash falls below today's low and closes there, remember, closing price is key. They move it all over the place during the day. Check it at the close when this candle's done for the day. If we close below yesterday, and that means we've broken support, and this is probably not a trade you want to stay in, and it's going to be an indicator that Bitcoin probably won't work, and neither will the other altcoins. So very low risk. Stay, you can enter anytime. Just make sure if it closes below the low of yesterday today, that and there it is dropping, that you will get out, because it's not, the pattern is now broken, and we're now in a different wave pattern. So I want to share that. Check other charts like David shared, and you'll see they all have the same setup. So something big is going on. Hopefully we'll see a big reversal today. If we don't, time to go back to the sidelines till we see the next bullish setup to stay safe. Back to you, Nicholas.
And of course, it's very, very important at this, very important time in the market right now where we have a possible big breakout is to have a close eye on everything. And we might see a whole boom for a whole market. And the best way to do that is to stay subscribed and watch us keep an eye for you. If you see something we don't see, make sure you comment below and we'll be sure to check it out. See you guys later.